Welcome to the newest lesson in Information Processing 2080, Spreadsheet 2. In this lesson, we are going to use text to create columns. So we'll do this in Google Sheets. Here I've got a column with first names and last names of the comic books version of the Founding Avengers. What we want to do is split this text into columns. We go to our Data menu, and we split text to columns. And we can have it detect automatically or specify what kind of marker we have. So if we had last name, comma, first name, we'd want the comma. Here we'll just detect automatically. Now in this case, for some reason, detecting automatically is having a tough time. We can help it by saying it's a space. And now our text has been split into columns.